Rockwood is roughly a community of about 30,000 people, all living in also roughly a 5-mile radius of each other. About 20% of the current residents live below the poverty level.
Rockwood has become an area that has many needs in many different areas. And in fact, one of the reasons we want to do Compassion Rockwood is not just for the medical dental needs or other kind of health issues, but they're a community that really needs a boost in many, many different directions.
Compassion Rockwood is basically a free clinic for the residents of Rockwood and the surrounding areas. Free medical care, dental care, chiropractic care, as well as social service agencies to help people in any way they could maybe need help in the area. And the whole event is done through donations, and so it's all free to the people that come to use the services.
The idea was to, okay, let's do this once, we'll see how it goes.
Last year was actually the first year. This is going to be the second event, and it is going to happen at the same location as we did last year, which is the Portland Lutheran School.
The original vision was maybe we have one doctor or two, and maybe a couple of dentists, 3 or 4 dentists, and we would be very happy if 100 people came and received treatment in a day. And we saw much more than that.
Last year, approximately 300 patients were seen. They did come as families though, so a lot more people than just the 300 were able to take advantage of the social service agencies.
All the services that are provided are absolutely free because of the professionals that are donating their time and services.
Last year, Dr. Sison was one of those volunteer doctors. He was so moved by what we did here and the people that we were able to help that he decided to retire from his practice and open up a free clinic for the community of Rockwood. It's just right on the corner of 180 First and Stark, and it will be opening shortly.
Well, welcome to the Good News Community Health Center. The name Good News comes from the Proverb 15:30, that says good news makes for good health. We wanted to be a part of the community and really let the community know that this center belongs to them. It's started by the Lord. He's the one who's done the work. You know, he's building the house, but it's for these people in the community.
Last year there was a woman that came as a patient that was in need of some prescription medication that she could not afford because she did not have insurance. So through last year we were able to get her hooked up with her prescriptions and stuff in such a way that her life was changed. And this year she's coming back as a volunteer because of the things that happened from last year's event.
We have a number of teams where people can plug in, and we're encouraging people to serve in whatever team that they feel really gifted or led or especially have an interest in. One of the things we want to see is the guest that comes would be made to feel very loved, very cared for. Compassion Rockwood, that's the name.
If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to check out CompassionRockwood.com.